As the commuters disembarked from vehicles and continued their journey, they were heard speaking aloud. How long are we going to continue with this hardship? Over the years, Ugbowo Lagos Road by Tomline Construction Company has been a source of worry to motorists during every rainy season, as though solution is far from reach. Some Benin City residents said after spending several hours on the road because of gridlock owing to the flood menace, they decided to continue their movement on foot. They expressed displeasure over the hardship they are made to face on the road whenever there is rainfall.
It's not fair. They should do something about this road. It's becoming alarming and very annoying.
What is not about? At least the best government, for us, because as rainfall like this and we get the entire city. If you continue like this, people will suffer well.
At Upper Mission Extension, Lawani Street and other parts of Benin City, the situation was not different. Motorists and pedestrians were stranded for several hours because of the flooded roads. Some motorists at Okoro appealed to governments at all levels to intervene and tackle the flood problem in the area.
It's a problem. Rainy season will never come. Never come. If rainy season come, let me say this Okoro, they not pass. And all those rain, they go Upper Mission direct.
State government, I beg, make God help us, make God do here America. When they come, nobody can pass on. It don't work.
Best in Biere reporting.